Behind all the glamour and glitz of Bollywood lies a dark world of drug addiction. Many Bollywood stars have openly spoken on the topic and have even confessed to doing drugs. From Sanjay Dutt to Kangana Ranaut, take a look at the list of Bollywood's big names who confess to using drugs. But before that, we request you to please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News for such interesting videos. King Khan's son Aryan Khan was recently arrested in connection with a drug raid on a luxury cruise ship. According to various media reports, NCB has told the Mumbai Sessions Court that Aryan Khan is a regular consumer of drugs. As per an India Today report, NCB sources said that Aryan Khan had been doing drugs for 4 years, even during his stay in the UK and Dubai. Bollywood star Sanjay Dutt has openly spoken about his battle with drug addiction. His biopic Sanju revealed his past battle with substance abuse. The actor revealed at an event that his journey with substance abuse has been about 12 years. He said that there are no drugs in the world that he has not done. Further, he said that at a rehab center in America, he was given a list of drugs and he ticked every drug on it because he had taken all of them. Kangana Ranaut has also opened up on her battle with drug addiction. Sharing a video of herself, she admitted that she was addicted to drugs during her initial days in the film industry. She said she ran away from home, became a movie star in a couple of years and a drug addict.
मुझे ऐसा लगता था और ऐसा ही हुआ। जैसे ही मैं घर से भागी, 1.5-2 साल में मैं एक फिल्म स्टार थी, एक ड्रग एडिक्ट थी। मेरी जिंदगी में इतने सारे कांड चल रहे थे कि मैं ऐसे लोगों के हाथों में लग चुकी थी कि जहां से ये सब इतना सब डेंजर हो चुका था मेरी लाइफ में जब मैं टीनेजर ही थी अभी।
Bollywood's chocolate boy Ranbir Kapoor confessed to using marijuana or ganja. In an interview with India Today in 2013, he said it was hard to get in the moment on stage with 300 bored junior artists posing as a real audience. He said ganja made those moments feel real. Last year, comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia grabbed headlines after 86.5 grams of ganja was allegedly seized from their house by the NCB during a raid. An official told news agency ANI that both Bharti and her husband accepted consumption of ganja. In an interview with Mumbai Mirror, Raj Babbar's son Pratik Babbar spoke about his addiction to drugs. He revealed that he started using drugs when he was 13 years old. So what are your thoughts about Bollywood's drug connection? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News. And don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.